core tool for another short video highlighting some of our capabilities and also talking about some of the projects that we've been working on. If you happen to see a cord over to my left, ignore it. We are not professionals here. But anyway, I'm going to show you one of the projects we've been working on here. This is for a current customer who came to us with a need to help them be able to produce these high performance systems because their demand was far more than what they can machine in-house. So if you take a closer look at what we have here, this is just a snapshot of the different variations that they have. They have the raised dome with the valve clearance. They have the recessed. You can also see the difference in height. And what we're doing in this operation is we're putting in these features, which is a pilot bore along with the wrist pin bore. Now each one of these has either a different wrist pin bore with snap ring locations and everything else. There are so many variations of this piston, I can't even tell you where to start. To date, we have machined over 75 different parts. What we had to do though is we had to convert their in-house process over to run on our horizontal machining center. By doing so, we're able to upload all dimensional data for a given piston and use the same, basically the same program to run all the different variations. This enables us to do changeovers within a matter of 10 minutes or less. We can change over from one part number to another on the fly by actually running one part inside the machine cabinetry and getting ready to load up the next part number on the outside. And just by the change of one number, we're up and running. What this enables us to do is turn around parts to them within a week or less. Now, all of our parts are not like this. We have the ones that we just can't deliver that quick, but we do the best that we can. So if you have any castings or similar forgings, hard to hold, odd shaped castings from low to high volume, or even your standard bar stock, give Contour a call. Let's take a look at it, see where we can help you. I'd like to wish everyone a happy holidays, and also let's hope for a better year in